Greetings to all the viewers. I'm Saketa and welcome you all to our Spotlight channel. A new academic year with a peaceful yogic punch is a great combination for a fit start. Yes, yoga is a mental, physical and physical discipline or practice that has its origin in India. The day 21st June was suggested by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his address to the UN because it is the longest day in the year. Yoga is very important for our health. It helps us to learn the relationship between the body and the mind. It is a type of exercise which helps us to learn mental and physical discipline through regular practice. On this special occasion, Dikshita and Lohita are our young yoga masters are going to perform two important yogasanas. Standing Chakrasana improves flexibility, strength and coordination. Vajrasana helps in body circulation, blood circulation and digestion. Let us all pledge together to perform yoga every day and make our nation fit. Thank you.